बहुत सारी कहानियाँ शुरू होती हैं लेकिन अंजाम तक नहीं पहुंचती हैं, और बहुत कहानियों का सफ़र अच्छा होता है। और एक ऐसी ही कहानी लेकर आ रहे हैं ध्वनि भानुशाली एंड आशिम गुलाटी इन कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म। सो वेलकम टू ज़ूम।
थैंक यू।
एंड सो ध्वनि, आपसे स्टार्ट करते हैं। आपका बॉलीवुड डेब्यू है ये, तो सिंगिंग के बाद आपको कैसे लगा कि नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एक्ट और कम ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन?
I just felt like it contributes to the idea of wanting to be a complete artist, and acting is sort of a part of it. And lockdown में ऐसे ख्याल आ रहा था कि सीखते हैं, then we'll see where it takes us. And it's been a journey from there to कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, and I'm just very grateful that this film happened. I think I have this way of manifesting things into my life, and somehow I'm really happy that this happened to me, and the film is going to be out on the 20th. Fingers crossed.
एब्सोल्युटली। अच्छा आशिम, आप अपने रोल के बारे में कुछ बताइए। ट्रेलर में शादी होते दिखाई दे रही है, लड़की भाग भी रही है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें तो।
शादी एक्चुअली हुई नहीं है, शादी से भाग रही होती है।
हाँ, मंडप तो दिखा,
मंडप दिखा है, करेक्ट। So my character's name is Krish. He crashes wedding for passion, and वो बच्चों को जिंदगी पढ़ाता है, ठीक है। तो it's a coincidental love story, and it just so happens that वो एक ऐसी शादी क्रैश करता है जहाँ पर coincidentally the bride of this wedding, she's basically running away, and भागते भागते they end up running together, and it seems like that they have कि इसने लड़की को भगाया है, और the family that she comes from is a little dangerous as compared to where Trish's family comes from. So there's a lot of drama there. There's a lot of like the chase sequences, and then they think that मैंने भगाया है, तो वो हमें फिर chase करते हैं इसके भाई जिनका नाम है गौतम और गंभीर। तो भागते भागते फिर हम we reach our place, my play birth town, which is Barsana, which is actually Radha's birthplace. So Krish has grown up around a lot of women, and where Krish comes from, the women are very empowered, and they have a voice, as opposed to where she comes from, they're pretty oppressed, and that's what the story is about. कि शादी का डिसीजन ले लिया और इसकी शादी करवा दी almost, and इससे पूछा नहीं. So that freedom of choice is when it's taken away from you, you feel like it's claustrophobic, and you can't breathe, and that's what's happening with her character. So somewhere it's that in the middle of chaos, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of like some romance, and there's a lot of comedy, and then there comes that message of you should ask whatever it is. So there needs to be that freedom of choice.
Well, looks lovely. I mean 20 सितंबर को अब जाना ही पड़ेगा. So ध्वनि, आप ये बताइए, आपके पेरेंट्स बड़े सपोर्टिव हैं, तो शादी जैसा जो इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन है वो आप अपनी मर्जी से करेंगी या उसमें आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछेंगी कैसे? ये फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस आपको लगता है आपको मिलेगी, आप खुद लेंगी?
I feel like मुझे always freedom of choice मिली है in life, and मुझसे कभी ये नहीं कहा गया कि आपको ये करना ही पड़ेगा. तो I feel like I'll choose my own life partner also, and sort of from there I'll see how it takes me, how the relationship goes, and from there we'll decide. But I obviously would want my parents' blessing, and
but you want to decide.
Of course ना, आपकी भी अगर कुछ शादी वादी हुई है नहीं हुई है तो आप भी डिसीजन लेंगी ना कि आपके किसके साथ शादी होनी चाहिए या किसी के साथ नहीं होनी चाहिए, या आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है. सो इट्स अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग, इट्स अ बेसिक राइट, एंड आई फील कि खुद का ही डिसीजन होना चाहिए जो भी हो.
Absolutely, very well answered. Ashim, I want to know, we have seen you in Taj, we have seen you in Ji Karda, and so many couple of projects. तो ये आपकी एक्टिंग जर्नी शुरू हुई कैसे, और अब आप उसको कैसे देख रहे हैं विद दिस फिल्म एंड ताज में? यू गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिकल अक्लेम, पीपल वर लविंग यू, तो उसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
No, it's been really rewarding, and I'm very grateful for whatever love that's come my way for the work that I've done in the recent past. But when it comes to Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam, I think this is I think people are going to see me in a very different light, because the kind of character that it is, I've not played a character like this, and I've not done comedy like this. So it's very free, it's very fun, and I feel really good about it because I've been wanting to do a good rom-com, a good comedy film, and plus when your director and your producer, Vinod sir, Lakshman sir, and Saurabh, who's the first-time director, when they show that kind of confidence in you and the kind of bestow their blessings on you and be like, you know what, we want you for the film, and this is, and they believe in you and they have that kind of faith in you. It feels really good because it's easier for me to get another serious character or to get a similar character from what I've done before, but then for them to see me in a different avatar and a different light, I think it's really it reinstates that faith in myself that I can do different kinds of characters. As an actor, that's what you want,
also,
right?
And I can be a Krish also.
Yeah, so as an actor, that's the dream, to be able to play as many characters as you can, and be able to do that with some finesse and with grace. And I feel like with this, it's just so different because the way I think, the way I've portrayed Krish is nothing like I've done before. There's something very innocent about him and yet very mischievous. दिल का बहुत साफ है, और इसके जो intentions हैं वो बहुत clear हैं, और even though ये शादियाँ crash करता है, which is not a very honorable thing to do, but उसमें भी अगर आप देखोगे ना तो आप इसको बोलोगे कि यार इसको ये माफ है, ठीक है, ये तू कर शादी crash, तो he's got that about him, and I think the best part about this character is like when people watch it, I feel like women should really be like, this is how my husband should be like, or this is how my brother should be like, or my boyfriend should be like. When they talk about like raising your sons well, he's a perfect example, and I feel like that's what I would take away from Krish, and that's why I think I even said yes to doing the film, because that's the kind of fun that he brings on to the film. And yeah, like it's just, and I think as Dhwani's character is sort of strong and very authoritative and does what she wants to do, he sort of brings that light and brings that yin to her yang. You know what I mean? So I think that's the play, and I think it becomes a beautiful sort of communion of two people coming together in a very chaotic setup.
Very well answered, and I think एक message भी है जो आपने हमें अभी बता दिया. So ध्वनि, आप मुझे बताइए, like आपकी ये जर्नी जो है एज अ सिंगर शुरू हुई, we've seen you in Guru Randhawa's music video इशारे तेरे and so many other couple of things. आपके अंदर कभी ऐसा कुछ आया कि कहीं मैं इतने मुझे लोगों ने एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ करते हुए देखा है, तो अब अगर मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ तो ऐसा तो नहीं ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट करेगी, नहीं करेगी, टाइप कास्टिंग, जो हर एक्टर के डीप डाउन कुछ इनसिक्योरिटीज़ या कुछ फियर्स होते हैं, क्या आपको भी कभी ऐसा लगा?
I think my first video was with Guru, and after that I think I've been on my own, and it's just something that I wanted to do. या मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि मुझे कोई टाइप कास्ट कर देगा, तो I don't think अगर मेरे दिमाग में ये थॉट आया नहीं है तो मैंने उस डायरेक्शन में सोचा ही नहीं कि मैं टाइप कास्ट हो गई हूँ या सिंगर टू एक्टर या ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचा. आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ पैरेलल जर्नी दैट आई वांटेड टू टेक, एंड I've done that with this film, and it's my first step towards having a full-fledged career parallelly with music. And मैंने ऐसा तभी भी नहीं सोचा था जब मैं म्यूज़िक कर रही थी और जब मैं शुरू कर रही थी. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे कोई क्लाउडी थॉट्स नहीं आते. It's always very direct, very that if I want to do a particular thing, I'll just go head on and work really hard on it, and then there's always like a process to follow
it.
And then things happen.
Absolutely, and it has happened. After this film, किस तरह की फिल्में आप और आगे करना चाहती हैं? किस डायरेक्टर के साथ particularly आप एम कर रही हैं? किनके साथ तो आप काम करना चाहती हूँ मैं?
I think Imtiaz Ali has always been someone that I want to work with. I saw Rockstar, and after that I was just like, and Jab We Met and so many films that he's done. He's just someone that I definitely want to work with, and Sujoy Ghosh, and my list is long.
So we hope कि आपकी लिस्ट ज़रूर पूरी हो जाए. And what about you, Asham? आगे आपके कोई आने वाले projects which you want to share, या फिर कोई particular role या director जो अभी तक आपकी tick list मतलब wish list पे है और अभी तक टिक नहीं लगा है?
अरे कहाँ से शुरू करूँ क्योंकि इसका कोई ख़त्म होना वो ही नहीं है. बट या आई थिंक जोया अख्तर, संजय लीला बंसाली, इम्तियाज़ अली, करण जौहर, Sujoy Ghosh. There's so many, and And I feel like the film that I mean I've done a show for Jio that's coming out soon. There's another one for Amazon Mini that's coming out soon. So yeah, there's certain things in the pipeline. A lot of people that I want to collaborate with. But as of now, I'm just focusing on Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam, and I just hope that everybody goes to the theaters and watch our film.
Well, मैं तो ज़रूर ये film देखने वाली हूँ. So
It is.
thank you so much for talking
Added
to us.
advantage.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.